Today I'm going to teach you Zhen Pai, a simple Chinese card game. The game is similar to Zipai, Mahjong, Rummy, or Go Fish. The goal is to be the first player to achieve 8 pairs in their hand or on the table. 5 or more must be pure. Pure pairs mean the cards match exactly, or with the wild card. Mixed pairs are cards with the same number, but one might be big and one might be small. I made a video for you so you can go back and learn the characters 1 to 10 in traditional and simplified Chinese. Just click on the link there. Let's see if you understand. Is this a winning hand? Does it have at least 5 pure pairs? Yes, it does. How about this one? Is this a winning hand? Does it have at least 5 pure pairs? No, it doesn't. Only 4 pure pairs. It is not a winning hand. Hey, the setup. Zhen Pai setup. Shuffle the deck. Each player then takes turns drawing up to 15 cards, 16 for the first player. This game does not have a dealer. The first player draws 16 cards, sorts their cards, and then chooses one to throw away. Player 2 can use the card or pick a new one up from the deck. The only way to use a card is to make a pure pair. If you make a pure pair, leave your pair on the table, then choose a new card and throw it away. Play continues like that until someone has at least 5 pure pairs and the rest mixed pairs. A disclaimer, I had trouble finding information about this game online. I couldn't even find a single web page in English dedicated to it. So, if it's not right, post in the comments below and let me know.